There are beautiful beaches around here. There are dog beaches. There are human beaches. There are surf beaches. There are nude beaches. People change semi-naked in the car parks. People enjoy having lattes at beachfront cafes. In the cafes of Cottesloe, besides drinking their lattes and reading their papers, people also cruise.
Hi, sweetheart. You want a ride?
Pretend to be busy, or talk about walking at the Oval with their dogs.
Dog is a domesticated carnivorous mammal related to the wolves. Dog is also used to refer to an unattractive or undesirable person, as in, you dirty dog.
You dirty dog!
The Oval is this open space with green grass just beside the golf course. It's got this fabulous view of the ocean. Unlike the golf course, the Oval is free for everyone. Here, people enjoy doing things they were talking about as they were having their lattes. They walk their friends, they play the footy, they park their four-wheel drives on the green grass. And watch the ocean. Ah, what a paradise.
All right. Hold your horses. Come on, you little buggy.
Cottesloe is an exclusive suburb of Perth, in Western Australia.
Exclusive means catering to a wealthy clientele or having the power to refuse entrance.
Perth is considered to be the most isolated city in the world.
Isolation means separation, exclusion, rejection, loneliness.
Although in the past, Australia was only composed of Aboriginal cultures,
Ow!
today, the country embraces a number of other minority cultures and subcultures. Like kite surfing, for example. In 1999, there weren't many kite surfers around, but today they must compete for space in Australian waters. Kite surfing is part of the Australian surf culture.
Culture can be defined as enlightenment that results from training or education.
For example, Peter is learning how to wax, and soon, provided surf is not up, he will complete his surf degree. When Peter goes surfing, he drives his four-wheel drive and takes Cindy along with him, his best mate. Mate is a term often used here in Australia. They say, "No worries, mate."
Mate actually means a person with whom one is in close association, a matched pair or a spouse.
But in Peter's case, mate means his bitch. More specifically, Cindy. Cindy is the Australian icon blue heeler.
The blue heeler is a working dog that traditionally herds livestock on Australian farms.
But here, when she's not surfing with Peter, Cindy herds the foreign dogs at the Oval. They came to Australia a few dog generations ago. Some by plane, others by posh boats.
Posh boats were the first-class means of transport between England and India in the mid-19th century. Posh was supposedly stamped on the tickets of first-class travelers.
Here at the Oval, some dog owners carry a dog kit composed of a racket ball, and a plastic bag to clean the dog's shit off the green grass. The dogs love riding in posh cars, and their owners love throwing the ball.
Yeah, fetch, that's it. Beauty, come on, go.
But not very much catching the shit.
Oh my God, Oscar, don't do this to me.
Although it all seems too posh, the environment here in Cottesloe is very multicultural, and it embraces a number of other minority ethnicities, like Charlie, for example, a pedigree Afghan hound,
Afghan hounds were commonly used to hunt rabbits in Afghanistan.
But at the Oval, Charlie hunts the ball. He's described as a serious sniffer. He specifically liked to sniff Capi's ass. Capi is a pedigree chow chow. In China, some people dine on him. But here he eats kangaroo meat. And his owner, Mrs. Pink Bond, dines on the finest quality beef. Mrs. Bond migrated from China after the Tiananmen Square massacres.
Job Bond, dinner's ready.
And married Scottish-Australian businessman Mr. Jock Bond. Ali is an exotic man who migrated from Afghanistan to be with James, a traditional Aussie bloke. When Ali arrived in Australia, James bought him an exotic dog.
Exotic dogs are foreign domesticated carnivores bred to produce specific performance and looks from around the world.
You know, it's chic to buy an exotic dog from the third world. They bring status, and everyone wants to know about their cultural heritage.
Doesn't he like dates?
He loves dates.
Australian immigration law recognizes James' relationship. And Ali is a desirable migrant. He's about to have his permanent residency visa stamped on his passport. Well, that is, if their relationship lasts, if Ali is disease-free, or if he comes with an indecent amount of cash. Already a permanent resident, Mrs. Bond is preparing her annual Christmas party.
Hello, Yvonne. Can I put you down?
Christmas is a holy day, a holiday, a Christian tradition celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ.
Christmas is also the name of an island. Christmas Island is part of Australia, and like the Cottesloe Oval, it embraces exotic characters from minority cultures around the world. Unfortunately, we can't see how they celebrate Christmas on this paradisical island.
Turn that camera off, mate.
But at the Oval, we can. Mrs. Bond is finally receiving her guests for the doggy Christmas party. Here, exotic characters from all around the world are desirable. Freedom is a word that humankind dreams of, but no one can quite understand. Freedom on this island is going to the dogs.